Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about, is flood insurance available during hurricane season? You know, we hear from people all the time that say, hey, I can't get flood insurance during hurricane season. And this simply just isn't true. Now, there might be a situation in the private market where there is a storm in the Gulf, there's a storm in the Atlantic, and so private companies put in what's called moratoriums. But yes, you can always get flood insurance during hurricane season, especially through the National Flood Insurance Program. You just want to make sure that you're aware of the 30-day wait period with the National Flood Insurance Program and the wait periods of the private market, which may range from 5 days to 15 days. But buying flood insurance during hurricane season is very important. So yes, you can buy flood insurance during hurricane season. Now, there could be some stipulations, as we mentioned before, if there are some storms in the Atlantic and the Gulf, if there's something going on with a flooding event in your area. But you're still going to be able to get that coverage through the National Flood Insurance Program. Now, especially if you live in what's called a low-risk area or Flood Zone X, it's really important to get that coverage in place because of a lot of inland flooding that occurs during hurricane season. So this also brings up the other question. You know, if I live in areas like Birmingham, Alabama, Atlanta, Georgia, should I have flood insurance during hurricane season? And the answer to that question is yes, because of the amount of inland flooding that is caused by hurricanes. You know, that we saw with Harvey, that we saw with Matthew and Florence. As these things move inland and they just stall out, they can cause a lot of flooding in areas where flooding does not normally occur. So if you've got questions about buying flood insurance during hurricane season, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also check out our Facebook page, and you can also check out our YouTube channel where we do these daily flood education videos. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.